Yoga for stress, anxiety, PCOD, PCOS, and hormonal imbalance. My dear beautiful souls, in this video, I'm going to talk about what you deserve. You deserve not only that worldly beauty, yes, with our decoratives, but the internal beauty and hormone balance. Now, hormone balance, as you see, is the system disrupts. It disrupts everything. And hormone imbalance, stress, gets more increased. It's a vicious cycle and it's very difficult to come out. And yoga is the way to calm your mind, your ovarian health to be supported, or hormones to be balanced. Now, first we have to understand the stress and anxiety release. How do we do? So, Alom Vilom, the alternate nostril breathing just for 1 minute. Right nostril close and inhale, then left nostril exhale. Then opposite. This anxiety is attended and you feel calm immediately. Yes, this is true. Your breath balances you. Breath is the king of your thoughts. Your mind can be controlled with this balance. The neck and shoulder, 40 seconds only, the rolls. So these rolls are some turns. This can be roll. You have to do it very slowly, as this dissolves 80% of the tension of the body, as it holds a lot on your head weight. Head weight, have you heard this head weight? Actually true. Everything we carry here inside our mind, our thoughts. Now the third thing is forward fold, 30 seconds. Head down you have to do. When you do the head down, your nervous system signals relax. The nervous system feels you are safe now. Now coming to a part where we are going to see the yoga, hormone yoga for PCOD, PCOS, butterfly pose just for 1 minute. This is for pelvic region where the blood flow improves. And this is so essential in PCOD and PCOS. Another thing is seated wide, the leg forward fold for 1 minute. Like legs are there and then you're touching your legs. This pose actually is for ovarian area and the lower abdomen is stimulated by this. With this stretch, your reproductive organs energy gets activated. Now another pose just for 1 minute is bridge pose. This pose, the hormonal glands are activated, especially thyroid and reproductive glands. Another very good pose just for 40 seconds is cobra pose. In PCOS, if you see, insulin sensitivity has to be attended, improved, and stress hormones really, are to be calmed. In this now third part, mind body hormone reset is very important. This you can do with happy baby pose, just 40 seconds. So happy baby pose is holding your legs and just turning with your hands, holding your legs while you are lying down. This helps. The pelvic tension releases and the hormone balance happens. This makes you really happy. When inside you are happy. Just you are happy without any reason, like a baby. So regular practice, if you do this, the stress and anxiety 50 to 70% get reduced because you are naturally producing the happy hormones, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin and endorphin. So you just need to recreate them. So this improves your skin. And this improves every area of your life. See, you have to understand that your body and mind are entirely opposite. Your body needs a lot of mobility and your mind needs a lot of peace, calm. So here works the meditation breath, yes. And even it works the meditation breath along with body postures work on your body. The body needs to be mobile. Sitting is killing. And the kind of just information we are gathering, sitting at one place, knowledge is cholesterol. And we have forgotten that our kitchen is our gym, our kitchen is our pharmacy. So I am inviting you as a time audit coach. My name is Dr. Naheed Khan, my dear friends. Time audit is working on your time management, your identity, personality, your money, the financial GPS and energy. In energy, I'm talking, this is the one of the chapter which I'm talking to you is energy, wherein there are set of trainers, experts, therapists with whom you do therapies and with whom you do the real postures of life. And here we give you a good set of like a daily routine or 1 hour. So how you can start this is just by taking a trial. So please comment on this video trial, and we will reach out to you. Once you take the trial, come over for a little time and just like having fun and enjoying this body activity, playing with your body gives you that magical, those hormones, chemicals which boost your happiness and energy. So no more there is poor sleep, it's gone. No more there is any body ache, pain or joint pain, and no more there is tiredness, because there's internal the energy fueling, raising with yoga. Thank you so much. Do comment trial and our team would reach out to you.